Okay, I brought Rex down to the stairs at Casa. Yes! So we get into frame. Yes! So we're still working on car noises and stuff. Ready? Get it. Yes! Traffic's nice and slow here so I can watch for what's coming. Good boy, and I'm just really feeding him a lot and watching his nervousness. I heard a car. Anytime I hear the hydraulic brakes, yes, he's scared of buses, yes, 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 good boy, yes, yes, he's ready, about buses, throw some food. You did it! Ready? Come on. Yes! Ready? Get it. Yes! Get it. Yes! Good job! So we can get that body language to relax. If not, we have to move away. Yes. Now let's move a little bit further from the road, honey. Let's go over here. So cute. Okay. Try a little bit further away. Don't get too close. Good boy. Lexi, can you sit? Yes. All the way. Yes. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Yes. You're okay, honey. You're a sweet, sensitive guy. Where are you going? Do you wanna? Come here. Touch. Yes. Good. Wanna do this game? Ready? Go. Oh. Yes. Over here. Yes. 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 Around this way. Here. Just get me tangled right up. Yes. Just trying to put his mind on something else. A little bit more length for the ready, get it. Ready? Get it. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Get it. Ready? Get it. Yes. Ready? Get it. Yes. This is seeming to be our most successful way to get used to a new environment. Ready? Get it. Yes. Ready? Yes. I looked at a car, so I marked just across the street. Yes. Come on, honey, relax that little tail. Buddy. Buddy. Good. Yes. 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 Good boy. You want to go check it out? Where are you going? Come here. I think he's done. That was enough for him. We're going to go play now. Away from traffic.